Thanks, Shani. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So, guys, today I'll be doing a collaboration with my girl Shani from Shani's Kitchen Creation. We'll be using apples because apples is in season, and we'll be showing you two delicious ways you could use your apples. So, guys, before we jump into this video, go over to Shani's Kitchen Creation and tell her Taya sent you. And guys, I will leave the link to her channel down in the description box so you could go check her out and show her some love. So guys, let's get started. So here I have 3 Granny Smith apples. You could use any apples of choice. It doesn't really matter. Just use the apples that you like best. And I'm just going to peel these, core them, and slice them into semi-thick pieces. We don't want them too thick and we don't want them too thin. Now to my bowl, I'm just gonna add some brown sugar, and some cinnamon. I'm gonna give this a good toss, and then I'm gonna go in with a squeeze of lemon juice. And guys, remember, I will leave the recipe down in the description box so you can go ahead and check it out. I'm just going to give this a good toss again and allow it to sit while I work on the batter. So in my bowl, I'm going to add my eggs. And my sugar, and I'm just going to whisk until light and fluffy. Now I'm going to go in with some vegetable oil. And guys, of course, you could use butter if you like, but the oil makes it moist and soft. And for some extra moistness, I'm going to go in with some Greek yogurt. And for extra bit of flavor, some vanilla sugar. You could use vanilla extract or vanilla essence if that's what you have on hand. Now I'm going to go in with 2 cups of self-rising flour. And guys, if you don't have self-rising flour, I'll leave a link to how you could prepare your own self-rising flour down in the description box. And the batter is going to be nice and thick because we need it to hold up to all that nice sauce that's going to come from the apples. So if you see the batter looking a bit thick, that's exactly how we want it to look. Now we're going to prepare our bunting, and we're going to layer our apples in the bottom. As you can see here, this is how I'm going to layer it, but you could place them in however you like. But when I do this, it makes for a nicer design once the cake is fully baked. So I'm just going to place my apples in until everything is complete. And of course, we don't want to waste anything. We're going to go in with the best part, that brown sugar goodness. Let me tell you guys, this is what took the cake over the top. Now I'm going to go in with my batter, and you want to make sure that you layer this evenly into the pan. Now we're going to level this out and shake it down and allow all those air pockets to be filled with this delicious batter. And after that, guys, I'm going to bake this in a 350-degree oven for about 40 to 50 minutes. This is a thick batter, so it will take some time to bake. And after 40 minutes, this is what our cake is looking like. Guys, this apple pie cake is something to talk about. Guys, you must try this recipe. Now I'm going to allow it to cool down a bit and then remove it from the pan. And guys, if you have reached thus far in the video and you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscription button, turn on the post notification bell that says all, so you will be first to be notified each time I upload a new video. And if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, and also I would highly appreciate it if you share this video. Moment of truth, guys. Voila, look at that beauty. It smelled amazing and it tasted amazing as well. Yes guys, so this is what our apple pie cake is looking like. Now I'm going to dust with a little bit of powdered sugar and cut into it and show you what it's look like. Guys, this can be served just as is, but also if you serve this with some vanilla ice cream, that would be awesome too. Moment of truth, guys. There you have it. Our apple pie cake is nice and ready. I thank you so much for watching, my beautiful people. Until then, I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.